All right, now let's glue these parts. Now it's very important for you to know that you cannot, and some people might think that it's just that you have to put the tab on top, glue it, and then you curve it. Well, no, because if you do that, if you glue them in an open, um, when they are open like this, what is going to happen is once the glue is dried, it's going to make the whole thing rigid, and you will not be able to shape it. So in order to do that, you just um, you have to do it well while they are curved. Okay, so both segments are curved, and that's how they have to be glued. All right, so using the brush that I mentioned before, I just put a little bit of glue here on top, and then I spread it nicely. And then carefully I put this. Now you have to see that the tabs show. You have to tweak a little bit there. Okay, there it is. And let it stay in that position just to, you're not gluing it, what you're just doing is just to keep the shape just for a few minutes. Just keep the shape, because later you will connect this part. Just gonna dry it there, and it stays. I need a little bit of glue in this part. You can make use of a tweezer. All right, so let's glue this. Help use a tweezer to do this step. Carefully aligning them. There you go. So now you have to wait. Let's wait. So one is done. Let's do the same thing with the other one. This is already curved. I'll apply a little bit of glue here. Same thing on top. Being sure that the tabs are aligned with the line, the contour of the part that is on top. All right, and let's glue this. if they're excess, like this little thing is coming, well, you can just cut it a little bit there. All right, we're getting there. Two parts. This is different. Notice that this segment is actually kind of flat, and then this portion is curved. So this is the flat. You don't have to worry about curving it, but this segment. So same procedure, and because it's small, I can make use of a tweezer. Look, I curve this segment only. All right, which will allow me to glue. Now here I make use of the tweezer. I hold it there so I can fold it nicely, you know, there. And this little tab, I'm going to fold it because that's the tab that it will glue this part with a flat portion. I flatten this segment. All right, so look. Okay, I'm going to apply glue with my little brush. And then you just have to fold it and away. Now, this gets tricky because you have to align. You will need to align these two parts. All right, I don't know if the camera is showing well. Yeah, I guess there. With the use of a tweezer. Oh, I forgot. Let's fold this segment as well. There you go. Now we're gonna be able to glue this. Hold it there for a few seconds. Now immediately grab this segment. Try to correct a little bit there. There. And now you're going to hold it. Look at the shape. Hold it, hold it, hold it until it dries. Then proceed here and mold it a little bit. Mold the shape. Look, better. You really don't have to worry about gluing this because anyway, it's attached. And if you want to put glue, well, you can do it. Just open this segment and just apply a little bit of glue there. Just press. You see, you are molding everything once it's dry. Just mold to the shape. There you go. Now let's put this together.